Okay guys, welcome to my new video, how to make over $100 per day using very simple trick. With this video guys, I will show you how you can earn free PayPal cash every single day using a very simple method. This trick, it's very easy, everyone can do it, everyone can earn free cash daily using this method. I will show you my proof from this system so you can see exactly how many cash I make in the last 10 days. Okay, you can see this is my earning from this method, and you can earn this cash too. All you have to do, take action and don't delay. Okay, so let's log out from my account. First, please visit PacePre, this website, pacepree.com. Okay, then go to Marketplace. Okay, you will get this page, and you can see here is some product that you can promote. You can choose one of these product, but you have to choose a good product, not any product, and promote it. Okay, you can find here unlimited, beautiful and very convert product that you can use to promote and earn from this product cash daily. Okay, so how this work? You can see Turbo 3 Cash Machine. This is a fantastic product. You can visit this website, this product, and you will find this beautiful sales page. Okay. Okay, there is more product. Okay, there is more product that you can choose and promote. For this example, I will show you how exactly I am promoting this product. You can see here, create link. Okay. After you clicking your create link, you have to put here your username. Okay. So I will put my username and click submit, and then you will get this affiliate link. Okay, so let's take this affiliate link, copy and close this windows. Now I will show you how you can get real traffic to your link from real human visitors and very target make money online. Okay, this is very important to get real people to your affiliate link, so you can make a commission, and then you can earn this commission daily. For this, please go to Google and type Turbo website trafic.com, and you will get this page. Okay, you can see this website. This is the top website.
Hi,
top
my name's
traffic
Derek,
website, and you can see there is unlimited product. If you click the logo in the top, you can find another product. Okay, if you click one more time, you will find another product. Unlimited product is from affiliates network. So you can use this website to promote your affiliate link and earn commission daily. Okay, so how this work, you can see here in the top, advertising, and you will get this form. So all you have to do is type your name, your email, and put this, put your URL, your affiliate link that you take from PaySpree. Okay, this is very important. Your link from PaySpree, and click this I read and accept terms of use. Okay, no problem. You can promote your link here, your affiliate link, and choose your package. Of course, the best package you can use is 30 days unlimited website traffic, only $18. Okay, this is very, very cheap and very target traffic. You can get almost 500 to 200 or 500 to 2000 or 3000 visitors to your link for 13 days. This is a fantastic traffic that you can get to your affiliate link, and all you have to do is click order now. Okay, so you have to check, very important to check your affiliate link if there is no mistake on your affiliate link, and buy now. Okay, this is the best traffic, my friend, you can use to promote anything. The point from this website, from this video, sorry, is to make unlimited cash from PaySpree. That's it. I hope you like this video. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please, if you like it, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will upload videos every single day, so you can update, you can be updated and get more info about how to make real cash online every single day. If you have any question, please type your question below this video. Thank you again, and have a good day. Thank you very much.